The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai. So Kenkey and fish that's on my list of things to try.
Okay. So the Kenkey is made from ground maize or corn.
Okay.
You understand? Yeah, and it is heated and turned. I don't know if you know pap.
No.
Okay, but Southern Africa, there is something close to it, but it is all over Africa. I mean, the formula for making that type of food, it's all over the place. So it's something that you're probably familiar with. You understand? So we'll get to experience it, and then we'll get to see the beach, and there's a lighthouse there.
Nice.
You know, which, and then there are some forts as well.
All right, guys. So Nana picked us up with his fellow foodie friend Eddie, and they're taking us currently now to Jamestown, which Eddie mentioned. It is like the rural parts of Accra inside the urban part of Accra, if you get what I'm saying. So this is where all the indigenous people from Accra, they are still there. So if you want to see what old Accra is like, or how the people would act or traditionally behave, then Jamestown is where we should go, right?
Yeah.
Cool. And then he was also mentioning that Kenkey is that's a go-to dish there?
Yeah, that's a staple food.
Okay, so Kenkey is a staple food. And funny enough, I have 10 dishes in Ghana that I told myself that I need to try. I'm gonna drop it in the description box so you guys can see. So hopefully on this trip, we will be able to try all of these 10 dishes. I'm super excited to try Kenkey. Yo, shout out to my boy, DJ Magic J. He's a DJ from the UK, and he did mention that I definitely need to try Kenkey. So let's head there.
You're getting like the rawest, purest form of Kenkey and fish.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it doesn't get any better than that.
Kenkey is called locally.
Okay.
You know, locally they call it komi.
Komi.
In the Ga language, yeah.
Okay.
Komi.
Komi.
And then the fish, the fried fish, is called kenan.
Kenan.
You may want to add that.
Okay. No, you just added it for me just now.
Get like their passports, you know, like dual citizenship, and you know, like establishing businesses and stuff like that. So that was like crazy. And then after that, then they created the Beyond the Return initiative.
I have a quick question. What is the general religion for
Three.
Okay.
So we have the traditional religion, we have the Christian, and then we have Islam.
Oh yeah, I did see Islam. Yeah.
So any like official function,
Yeah.
you have all three leaders, you know, come and you know say prayers.
Nice.
Neither of them is left out. Yeah.
So one thing that I do notice as we drive through, like, it is a lot like Jamaica, from the people coming up to the cars, from the window washers. It's basically the same thing. Even some of the architectural pieces, it looks very colonial. So you guys were once colonized by the British, exactly, which is the same as Jamaica. We are seeing the shift. We're moving from the city look of Accra, and we can now see the transition. We haven't quite gotten to Jamestown because there is traffic here, much like Jamaica when it comes on to 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I guess everybody's trying to get some lunch or something. Yeah, so hopefully we are gonna head on our way to get some lunch as well. If you guys have ever tried Kenkey or anything like that, just drop it in the comments. Let me know what is your favorite Ghanaian food. Yo, I am so excited to try street food because for me personally, I think these kind of dishes, they are more reminiscent of what the real thing should taste like. Yeah, I've been to a couple of, one restaurant here, and it was pretty good, the food, but I want to try it from the indigenous people, the people in the streets who know how to do it. You ready for Kenkey?
Yeah, I'm curious.
Very curious about what it's going to taste like, right?
I want to see how the Jamestown is too.
Yeah, facts.
So this is an old town, Ghana drug house. That's where you used to bring all the pharmaceutical stuff. But it's upside down. What was going on? I mean, the coolest thing was, you know, Mary J.
Some of our architecture from these sort of materials, but we no longer use them. But I believe it's some of the best.
And everybody's in there. Simple life. You might go straight?
Yeah, straight.
They don't want too much. You know, most of them, look, they don't really care because they don't have to pay rent. They live in a family house.
Alright guys, so we have gotten to Jamestown. Yo, you didn't even know how I feel. I am super excited, man. Like already we see some fish here and they immediately remind me of sprat in Jamaica. It's like a sprat fish. What is it like here?
It's a collection of different types of fish.
Okay.
And it's really tasty. I mean, we use it in eating Kenkey. Yeah, and you see the way the energy they use in preparing it. Like
that's my favorite energy, man.
Yeah.
Do that all the time on the beach.
Yeah. So,
wow.
Basically,
so what do they do? They set out their nets and whatever small fish they catch, that's what they're gonna use?
Yes.
Interesting, man. So interesting.
Hello, Julian.
Cool. What do you think?
I wanted to have escovitch pickle sauce.
Escovitch?
Like pickled pepper.
Oh, yeah. You're right. Definitely, man.
Yeah.
And already, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but I can smell like the sea air. Do you smell it? I can smell the sea air, so I can immediately tell that I'm like in a fishing village. And it's exactly the same thing in Jamaica. Like you can see like the wooden shacks, like wood, zinc, stuff like that, like Hellshire, basically, like a beach village. And yeah, I'm super excited to get stuck into that Kenkey, yo. I want to try it. I want to try one of these fish really quick. Wow.
Grab some and have a taste.
To grab some and have a taste? Hell yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready.
What you want to feel? In your feel it.
In your
What
bag.
feel good was Obasona?
Come on, you have 5 CDs.
I like this part
What's that one?
because this is the part where I don't understand what
I know,
they're
right?
saying.
You just know everything will be handled.
Everything is good. Everything is being handled right. Ooh. Wow. Wow. I just like the fact that she goes off. She's doing something completely different, and she knows what time it is. I like that. I like that. She knows exactly what time it is. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. That's when you know you've been doing something for several years and you know exactly what you're doing. It's not like me and you at home, as soon as the fish go on, we're like, is it about to burn? It's amazing. Oh, we have a question. Do they have anything like a pickle? Like onions and garlic or pepper, anything that goes with it?
Yeah.
Well, we don't have pickles.
No pickle?
No.
Okay.
This is pepper sauce.
A pepper sauce?
Yeah, it comes
Spicy.
with spicy, yeah. So she's putting fresh fish in there.
Ah,
You see the way
Ah, so some fresh fish. What is that powder that she throws in? Ah.
So the powder came in the form of salt.
Oh, so that
Salt.
she's seasoning the oil again. Wow. So she just seasoned the oil just now. So you know, it's like a powdered salt, he said. Yeah. Interesting. And these fish look kind of like needlefish. So yeah, and that little spoon that they use to like dig everything up, it's real food, man. It's real food.
And then there's squid as well.
Ah, squid.
Yeah.
I want to try,
This
man.
is squid.
Ah.
And then there's shrimp.
Yeah, this looks something like what we'd have back home.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so where?
No, it's not.
No, it's not pepper.
So I do notice like there's like, is that like their home or something back there? Sure.
That's probably like their living room.
Nice, nice, nice. Guys, yo, you guys have to come to Ghana to experience this, yo. This is something, yo. Oh my gosh, everybody's just chill. Like they mentioned, like down here, the people are just, they're good at what they're doing. You know what I'm saying? There's a kid back there that was doing that traditional Jamaican bathing in the bat, panting, naked, butt naked, side of the road. He was just calm, yo. He was just calm doing his thing. All right, we're getting ready to try this food. Oh,
The squid is called kakadiama.
kakadiama.
In the local language.
Ah, kakadiama.
Kakadiama. Yeah.
Awesome. Cool.
Over there, if you want 10 hours, would you let me hour?
One thing that I've noticed with the language, it doesn't feel hard for me to pronounce them. I don't know if it's because of our heritage and stuff. If I'm trying to speak French, oh hell no. It's super hard for the lingua to come out, but like here, yeah, it rolls off my tongue a lot easier. And I heard you saying something to your friend on the phone like, you want to know where me there? Where me there? Something like that?
That's broken English.
Broken English. That's the same thing for us. Where you there?
Where you
Yeah.
there? Okay.
I
Same.
would still say where you there?
Ah, got you, man. So cool.
Where you there, Waakye?
So that's the spice thing that she put.
Yes, that's shito.
Shito.
And it's made from pepper combined with
Shito.
combined
Shit
with
with an O.
We don't know.
combined with ginger, various other garlic, onions,
Nice.
fish as well, like dry fish, dry herring.
It looks very delicious. It looks rich.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think probably.
I love sauces
So
like
you
that.
can
Yeah.
start. This is the squid. So you can
Dig in.
you can dig in.
Dig in. Exactly. It's good.
Go for it.
I'm ready. I am ready.
I cooked the fish.
Okay, so I got some squid.
So the fish is the star.
I love the sauce. Spicy, Jamaican things. It tastes almost like Solomon and Grande, the same thing that we had.
That's what you're saying.
Ooh, that's good. That is really good. That sauce is really good. Wow. Now, for the fish, if you feel the fish, it's really crispy. So you know it's fried right.
But in a dry out.
I'm going for it. Oh, wow.
Right from the ocean.
It's kind of weird. It's almost like a sardine in a little way, but not that raw type of fish flavor. Not that much. It's more like a sprat for us in Jamaica. Exactly how we eat sprats in Jamaica. Very crispy on the outside, but the meat itself, and then that sauce goes so well with it, bro.
Okay. Wow, somebody come with fish.
Oh, sorry. Oh, look at all that fish, man.
You eat the head?
I don't eat the head. You eat the head?
Yeah.
All right, let me go for it.
Just go for it. Dip in some hot sauce and just. Come on.
Going for it. It's almost like what they call head butter. Like all that, it's mellow.
The squid is good.
Everything, all the fine bones just go.
So it don't taste like a fish head.
Huh?
It doesn't.
It doesn't taste like a fish head at all.
Try
It's
this
just-
one. The
it's-
crisp one.
This one? Which one?
The squid.
This piece?
Or you can try
Oh,
this
this
one.
piece. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so for Ghanaians, would you say like Ghanaian people are more like communal eaters?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it's in the culture, yeah. That's how you're brought up.
You can tell. And most things are here like eaten with the hand, right?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
Got you.
Most of the local food, yeah, of course.
Already, this is the best thing that I've had in Ghana. Already. Thank you. So good.
Thank you. Not bad.
I think my favorite thing though
Finish it.
is the spice. Finish it. Finish it.
Finish it.
It's so good. So good. What's that she has on her head there?
Oh, that's fruits. Star fruit. The African star fruit.
African star fruit.
Yeah. You want to try it?
Look at the big plum, you know the big plum?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Alassan. Buy some for
In your hornet.
What's the flavor of it? It's like sweet,
Sour.
sour,
It's sour, yeah.
sour.
sour. Yo, this fish we got here.
The colors be telling me differently. I thought it was gonna be sweet.
Sour.
Sour.
Lime? Like lime sour.
Yeah, like lime sour, yeah.
Wow. Because you guys use it for like juice a lot? No?
Just eat it for fruit.
Oh my gosh, bro. This is good. This is good. Was it spicy for you?
Not overly. But when I heard shito,
Aren't you like the pepper king?
when I heard shito, I thought about that hot wing challenge that we did.
Oh my gosh, nah. It's so good. And she's like just getting clothes ready.
Yeah, right there.
Right there. Right there. Oh my gosh.
Halfway down.
Okay, man.
Yeah, she cuts me out, yeah.
Because he comes so close.
You know, African mothers don't play. Oyiwado.
Oyiwado?
Yeah, that's it. Oyiwado.
Mama, oyiwado, delicious. Love it. Wow, that was so good. Oyiwado. Ha. Guys, let me tell you, the first touch and the first experience of street food, oh, amazing, man. It's been really good. It's been really good. And what I like the most, I just really enjoy just how it feels down here. I mean, little things that might creep people out, like the cars passing by and whatever, is the things that make you notice or realize how different places like America, France, Jamaica, wherever you're from is, you know? And that's what you kind of want when you are a tourist. You want to come to a place that's different from your own.
The heart.
Yeah? The heart of the place.
Salt lakes created along the beaches where they dig trenches for the seawater to flow into the lakes.
Ah.
It dries naturally from the sun to get the salt ready for consumption.
So real natural salt.
Real natural salt.
It's so cool.
Comes from seawater.
Ah.
So that's how.
Wow, you can definitely taste the difference. So you're saying that there are bars literally
They
everywhere.
love their drink.
That's like Jamaica.
Yeah, they love their drink.
The two most popular things in Jamaica are bars and churches. We have the most of that. Yeah.
He was trying to probably to be our tour guide, but
Ah.
we're locals.
part of it. Like,
The smell
yeah,
feels like home, man. If you ask me.
isn't too pleasant, but yeah, it is what it is.
Yeah.
That's a dreadlock salon.
Ah, dreadlock salon.
This is the first time I need it in my life right now.
Right?
I need a bread in my life right now.
Yeah, okay.
I don't.
There.
And then he became the Prime Minister.
Nice.
Ghana got independence 57. So inside over there, we have a gate of no return. In the prison, slave marketing place.
We will come back. Let's go. Just gonna take a quick one back. Oh no.
Ah, interesting. Oh, oh, babe, Jamaican flag.
Oh,
I
Oh,
want to take that.
oh my, yeah, I am taking it right now.
You need to take
Yeah, big up in Jamaica, I think they know that.
You showed me quite well.
Oh my gosh.
that. Yeah, it is. It's littered, but like.
No,
yeah.
at the top, no, but the other side, they lead towards where the
Yeah, the Chinese have started, you know, they are redeveloping the port. So there's,
what am I arguing for? What am I was talking about?
He was like, yeah, but why didn't we, avoid services to be a tour guide? I'm like,
Hi.
what's your issue?
Hello.
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 Where will they go now?
Yeah.
you they get a good view of the lighthouse from here.
From here?
Ah.
Okay.
And then we go the fishing, okay. Because
Yeah, but here, that's a longer route. I thought we were going to go to the other side.
by the main road.
Yeah. So we don't have to walk. Charlie, it's hot. We don't want to do too much. Because this is a longer route.
So, quick question, Nana.
Go ahead.
When people want to like appoint tour guides here, like what would be the usual cost?
I mean, listen, they're all rip-offs here, so.
Yeah, gotta be careful.
Yeah, so it's not like, that I'll have to check, but it's not that much, maybe like 50 CDs per head.
Okay,
Not too sure, but you have to check.
makes sense. So what is it exactly over there?
It's a base for a construction company. They're
Ah.
trying to redevelop the port.
Is it Chinese?
Yeah.
Yep, same like Jamaica.
Chinese.
Yes, sir. So I definitely advise for like, having a guide coming here, knowing some Ghanaians or something, man, because it can be, how can I say, you can get a little bit overwhelmed possibly. But anyhow, we have come here to try some bitters at the moment, yo. Oh. Can you tell me though, what exactly is bitters, like Ghanaian bitters?
So basically, what makes it bitter is obviously, first of all, it tastes bitter.
Yeah.
But they have different components. So in here, you can see garlic in there. You can see some roots.
Garlic roots.
You can see some tree stuff.
Ginger.
And some other stuff that's good.
Oh.
And like the highest selling point is that it's an aphrodisiac. That's the highest selling point. You know this shit.
Guys, it's like in Jamaica. Everything that we want to sell, we tell them that it makes
Yeah.
you strong. Typical. So Jilly's gonna try the dates with the tiger nuts.
Yes.
Let's go, let's go.
Let's go, Jilly.
Let's go, you wanna hang with the big boys.
You're having one too.
Of course I am.
If you have that one.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can take that out.
Okay.
No, it's part of it.
Keep it, leave it in
Yeah,
there?
leave it in there. But you're not swallowing
Of course, sure.
it. Mbemi.
In control, fam.
Cheers, everyone, to being
Take
in
out.
Ghana. Amazing place.
Let's go.
Better than tequila.
Well, it's not too bad. This is actually good.
It's really good. Don't mind my face.
Yeah, because I told her once we want
It's
something
sweet.
bitter.
It's
Yeah.
sweet.
Has dates.
Oh, the flavor on this one is really good. I like it. But strong.
Now, this is a part where I forgot to mention that I passed out. So the video is gonna end here. And I also forgot to mention that that's a joke. The video got a little bit too long and I decided to split it into two. So I'll catch you guys on the next upload. Remember these three things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the link.